Stop wasting time with frozen screens. Here is how to fix 4K buffering on Macs in 3 simple steps. As of July 2026, streaming 4K is more demanding than ever. If your House of the Dragon binge is stuttering, your setup likely needs an update. Step 1. Verify your subscription tier. This is the most common silent failure. Max now restricts 4K UHD exclusively to the ultimate ad-free plan. If you are on a legacy bundle or standard plan, you'll be capped at 1080p. Step 2. Optimize your network for the 2026 bitrate standards. While 25 megabits is the minimum, you realistically need a stable 50 megabits per second to handle the advanced HEVC and AV1 codecs Max uses now. Switch to a wired Cat6 connection if possible. Even high-speed Wi-Fi can suffer from microbuffering during peak hours. Step 3. Clear the app's cache to remove corrupted video fragments. On Android or Google TV devices, navigating to storage and clearing the cache is essential. Do not clear data, or you will have to log back in. For Apple TV users, force closing the app and performing a full system restart from the settings menu usually clears the buffer cache. Finally, verify your hardware chain. Every device must support HDCP 2.2 and HDMI 2.0 or higher to handshake a 4K signal. An old HDMI cable can't carry the metadata needed for 4K HDR. Use a certified high-speed or ultra-high-speed cable. Always check for the latest July 2026 security patches on your OS. Warner Bros. Frequently pushes silent updates to optimize these bit rates. To recap, upgrade to Ultimate, go wired, and keep that cache clean. You'll be back to crystal clear 4K in no time. For more high-value tech tutorials that respect your time, subscribe to Sleek Guides. I will see you in the next one.